Dear viewers, this video which going to define the wind sourced, which means wind driven Pmsg. That is, we are getting the power from the wind through the wind power turbine. The alternator, that is, here we are using the Pmsg, permanent magnet synchronous generator, wind driven synchronous generator, Pmsg. Again, that is the filter unit, that is wind driven Pmsg powered, that is wind powered battery charging unit using the PWM rectifier, right? So the very basic paper we are going to consider, this is one of the basic paper, which may be the paper link which is available in the video description. You may going to see the title of that paper. You may going to see the title of the paper, that is energy source part recovery utilization for environmental facts. So here, that is the Pmsg driven by the control rectifier. What is the difference is, here that is only the VDC and IR, but here that is the, we are utilizing that the what I am say, that is the thing, that is here utilize the PWM rectifier and the charger. We are going to change this PWM rectifier charger value, that is we are going to obtain the variable voltage for here. First, the wind is occurred in this wind blade. Again, wind driven, which can be driven by this wind turbine, that is that the wind blade, and the wind turbine give the suitable torque to the Pmsg, permanent magnet synchronous generator. By use, after the filtering, we have going to put that is the different cases. This is the measurement system. This measurement system which can be give the information to the control block. Again, we are going to put the CT, current transformer. This current transformer can also going to sense the what is the current and then feed into the our control part. Here, this is the pulse width modulation block. We are obtain the what is the speed and the current and other requirement data, and then it can be produce the pulse for the that is the PWM rectifier. Here, that is the another load which is also going to be that the connector. This is the another sensing point. This sensing, that is the current flow which is going to connected with that V reference voltage. So if the wind is occur here, due to availability of this wind, the wind blade is rotated. This is the wind turbine. This wind turbine convert that wind velocity into that the rotational torque, that is power. Again, this by using this rotational torque, Pmsg, permanent magnet synchronous generator, which is the variable frequency AC generator, which can be generated that the voltage. Here we are convert this AC into DC by using the PWM rectifier. Again, it may be going to store the voltage. If you want to store the power in this battery, we are going to adjust the that is PWM pulse. By using the variation of the PWM pulse, the output voltage is varied. Again, the output voltage is varied, the charging and the discharging of that the battery is changes, right? Okay, this is the basic thing. Now we are going to see, that is the this is the one of the base paper we have taken. This title of the paper we are given to in the description. Okay, now we are going to the MATLAB file for getting this the information. Right, this is that the informations, that is the wind turbine block. Here, that is that the wind turbine. Here we are going to input for step time 1, 8 meters per second to 12 meters per second, 10 to 12 kilowatt wind turbine we are going to obtain. Again, this is the Pmsg, permanent magnet synchronous generator. This Pmsg torque we are going to obtain, Pmsg torque we are going to obtain here. When the machine is given as a negative torque, it may be working as a generator. If the machine is given as the positive, it may be going to working as a motor. This is the basic things. Here we are going to take as the two things is a stator current and what I am saying, that is the rotor speed. Again, this rotor speed conversion, which has the radians per second, which may be going to converted into per unit value. This per unit conversion with respect to the rated power in the speed per unit limit of the wind turbine block, which is available in the Pmsg in the mat, that is the Simulink, right? So next, these values we are going to fed into that the input torque of the Pmsg. This is the Pmsg which is available. So after this, here we are going to give that the filtering. This is the filtering what we are seeing here. Already I am also explained. So this is that the filtering. The same 5 filter we are going to given this is the capacitor, again inductor, again that the capacitor. So it may be going to create the filter action what we are going to say here. So the next step, we are going to connect the output of this Pmsg into the that is the PWM rectifier. So this is the IGBT based PWM rectifier. This is driven by that the pulse generator. This pulse generator